learners, and welcome back to Idiom IQ. Today, we've got a lesson that's going to elevate your English skills to the next level. Today, I'm going to explain some idioms to you. We're going to look at the examples, so hopefully by the end of this video, you will have learned colorful idioms that you can use when speaking English. So if you're interested, continue watching this video up to the very end. But before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy my content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Now, let's dive into another batch of color-related idioms. Black and white, meaning clear and straightforward. When to use, when something is very easy to understand. Example, the rules are black and white, no exceptions. Blue moon, meaning very rarely. When to use, when something happens infrequently. Example, I only see my cousin once in a blue moon. Golden handshake, meaning a large payment made to someone when they leave a job. When to use, when someone gets a big payout upon retirement or dismissal. Example, he got a golden handshake when he retired. Red herring, meaning something misleading or distracting. When to use, when something is intended to divert attention from the real issue. Example, the detective realized the clue was just a red herring. White elephant, meaning something that's more trouble than it's worth. When to use, when you have something expensive but useless. Example, my old boat is a white elephant. It's costly to maintain. Green light, meaning permission to proceed. When to use, when you've been given approval to start something. Example, the boss gave us the green light to start the project. Red carpet treatment, meaning special or royal treatment. When to use, when someone is treated exceptionally well. Example, they gave us the red carpet treatment at the hotel. In a brown study, meaning deep in thought. When to use, when you're lost in thought or daydreaming. Example, I was in a brown study contemplating life. Purple patch, meaning a period of success or good luck. When to use, when you're having a really good time in your life. Example, ever since she started her new job, she's been having a purple patch. Green around the gills, meaning looking sick. When to use, when someone looks unwell. Example, you look a little green around the gills. Are you okay? That concludes our lesson on these insightful idioms involving colors. These are versatile phrases that you'll encounter frequently in English conversations, so mastering them is a valuable skill. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep exploring the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions here at Idiom IQ. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more language tips and idiomatic adventures. Until next time, take care and happy learning.